Let's go through some nickels.
Over a cud, oh, sweet! Yeah, this year. So you flip it over like that.
The Benjamin!
N.A. Ono silver quarter from 19.
Hello everyone and welcome to New Miss Nate. Television hunting boxes 79 and 80 on the year in nickels, and this box is a silver ender, so stay tuned. In the album today, we have almost every coin, except for a few of them, like I've been saying the past few episodes, but it's looking great. Great album. Let's see if we can add to it with box 79. I'll bring you in on our first find. Roll 2, and we have our first find. It is a newer Jefferson, but still older, 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 3, and we have a 1946 Jefferson. It's pretty crusty, from Denver. Roll 12, and we have two finds. We have a 1959 Jefferson from Denver, and then a few coins behind that, a Canadian nickel from 1975. Roll 13, and we have a 1941 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 14, and we have a 1954 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 16, and we have a pretty good find. We have a Buffalo nickel. It is a Philadelphia mint. Ooh, it's beat. It looks like it was glued into something. I'll bring you back with the date, but this thing might be hard to get a date off of. Alright, I just looked at it closer and I got a lot of the glue off, but it is a Philadelphia. You guys can see the Philly. We're going to look at it under the microscope. Here's the back, looks completely normal. Philadelphia. And it is a 1924. Very nice. Roll 27, and we have a 1956 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 29, and we have two finds. We have a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia, and then a few coins behind that, a nicer 1958 from Philly. Roll 31, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver, as well as a 1954 Jefferson from Denver as well. Roll 32 is a good roll. Before we start with what's right here, we have my first 2024 Denver. I heard that these are going to be low mint, so I'll definitely take that. Now let's look at our silver war nickel. This war nickel has a Denver mint mark, so if this is a 1944, we're golden. Nope, it's a 1945, but I will still take it. Very nice. Same roll, roll 32, and we have a 1958 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 33, and we have a 1941 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 34, and we have a 1948 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 38, and we have two finds. We have a 1957 Jefferson from Philadelphia. That's a lower mintage coin. And then further down, a 1942 Jefferson from Philadelphia, non-silver. Roll 40, and we have a 1954 Jefferson. It's pretty blackened up. It's from Philadelphia. Roll 45, and we have a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 50, last roll of the box, and we have a 1942 Jefferson from Philadelphia, non-silver. Alright, box 79 is done, and it was actually pretty good. We got all these older Jeffersons, a 1924 Philadelphia Buffalo nickel, a 1945 Denver silver war nickel, a 1975 Canadian nickel, and of course, the 2024 Denver Jefferson nickel. Apparently it's a lower mint, so that's awesome. I'll bring you in on our first find in box 80. Roll 3, and we have two finds. First, we have a 1954 Jefferson from Denver, And then the top find for this roll is this proof coin. What year is it? 2001. Very nice. Roll 14, and we have a 1940 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 18, and we have a 1947 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 23, roll 29 is the silver ender, and we have a silver war nickel. It's in pretty bad shape, but it's a Philadelphia from 1943. Roll 26, 3 rolls away from the silver ender, and we have a Canadian nickel. It is an RCM uncrowned, so what year is it? 2012. Very nice. Roll 27, and we have 2 finds. A 1953 Jefferson from Philadelphia and a 1949 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 29 was the war nickel ender, and this is a 1957 Jefferson from Philadelphia. And now I'm going to show you guys the ender for real. It's a Philadelphia on a 1942. Very nice. Roll 33 has 2 finds. First, we have all the way in the back a 1947 Jefferson from Philadelphia. And then up front, we have another Buffalo nickel. Looks like it's been clamped in between something though, but what year is it? 1936. Very nice. Lucky roll 37, and we have a 1938 Jefferson, and it's pretty nice. Does it have a mint? Oh, no way. No. It has a San Francisco mint. Dude, this is insane. We need this one for the album. That is insane. Roll 47, and we have a 1946 Jefferson from Denver. Roll 49, and we have a 1956 Jefferson from Philadelphia. Roll 50, last roll, and we have a 1942 Jefferson from Philadelphia, non-silver. I'll bring you in with a wrap-up of this box. Alright, box 80 is done, and it was really good. All these Jeffersons, not as many as first box, but still that's quite a bit for this. 2 silver war nickels, a Canadian, a Buffalo, and this 1938 San Francisco. And I want to add it to my album, but I don't know if it's better or not, but I'm kind of at a loss. Should I put it in my personal one, or should I put it in the Hunt and Fill? Because this is the one that I have. It's got the Ring of Death, and then it's got corrosion and some scratching. And then this is the one that was in my album. So what should I do? Anyways, let's go ahead and pan over to the album. Alright, here's the album. We're going to start right here. We have the 38S, which is going to be one of those two. The next time you see this album, a decision will be made. Continuing on through, and here is the second page, and of course, the third page. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. I love adding some silver for the jar.